Hey guys, it's me, M, aka the Hungry Dominican, and I am here at 198th Street, right off the concourse in the Bronx at Pique 86, and I'm with Flavors of New York. Come with me. We're here with Miguel, the owner of Pique 86. Miguel, hello, sir.
Hi, how are you?
A little bit about this restaurant, how long it's been in the community, what kind of customer base do you have, your regulars, just tell me the history of the restaurant here in the Bronx.
So we've been here now, this is our 10th year, which we'll be celebrating in September. And we're gonna do like a big promotion for that. As far as the community is very diverse. We get a lot of regulars. The community has always been supporting us.
There was one way that you could market this restaurant to people who don't live in New York or even in the Bronx. What would you say? What are you pushing forward? What's your message?
We're just here to serve the community, get good food. A lot of the things that we do here are in-house, so we make a lot of our own sauces, stuff, marinades, even our own chorizo we make. So we really want the community to know that we do those kind of things, and that we're here to serve.
So we're talking fresh, authentic, homemade Mexican cuisine. Is that correct?
Yes, and for our new menu, we're also gonna have some Latin-inspired dishes.
Thankfully, they do have a full cocktail menu here because you can't come to a Mexican restaurant and not have a margarita. So I'm about to have my margarita, so I'm gonna have a strawberry one here. So that's coming to you guys, and then we're gonna flip over here to Flavors of New York, right here in front of me. Cheers to all. Strawberry margarita with a rim of tahini because that's the way to do it. So we're gonna have ourselves a sip. Cheers. Cheers. Here we go. That's beautiful. That is the exact way that I want to start my day. Now we're gonna, of course, do the classic dip a chip, right? Stretch it up, see how far it goes. It's always a crapshoot, but we never know. All right, not too shabby, but we're here to eat, not play with our food, right? So let's try it out. That chorizo is unreal. Delicious. Of course, you have to have your classic dish here, guac and chips. So let's try some out. So much flavor, little chunky the way that I like it. You can really taste that seasoning in the guac. It's really, really fresh and delicious. So here we got the mixed platter. We have steak and shrimp, nice and sizzling and hot. There we go. Beautiful little protein bomb. Here we go. Cheers. Beautifully constructed fajita with your proteins here. The sauces are amazing, spicy. Nice little kick. The texture of the meat is fantastic, tender. Go for another bite. And the peppers are amazing. Now we're going to try out the arroz frijoles right here. Beautiful. This is very good. Sometimes the beans, can maybe not be too flavor packed, but these right here are perfect. These are amazing. And the rice and the beans together right here, excellent. Now we're going to try out their chicken tortilla soup. Look at this. This is a beauty right here. This is a packed sopa. Let's try it out. It has a nice little kick to it too. This is hearty. This is like abuelita soup. This is amazing. This is delicious. Miguel, can you tell me a little bit about this dish right here?
Yeah, so this is our signature pollo enchilado. So what we do is we brine the chicken. We get a whole chicken, we brine it, and then we roast it in the oven. But before that, we marinate it with our chorizo marinade.
Miguel, thank you so much for the wonderful meal. We are going to dive into the chicken right now. So I just want to thank you very much for everything you've given us today. Everything we've tasted has been incredible.
Thank you.
Awesome stuff. Love the fact that everything is fresh made, house made, right?
Everything.
So I just want to thank you again, and let's dive in. It's already tender. Beautiful. Look at that, soft. Oh. let's give you a little close look. That skin right there. Let's try it out. Amazing. So for $16.99, you get half a chicken, you get rice and beans, tortillas, and 2 cans of soda. Really, you can't beat that for a lunch special. I'm wrapping up my meal here at Pique 86 in the Bronx with Flavors of New York, and wonderful meal, amazing meal. Again, really can't speak any much more than I can about how wonderful the experience was here. And I gotta say that if this is how it's gonna be collaborating with Flavors of New York, I'm very happy with this, because the food was excellent, the staff was excellent, and just getting to meet new people, getting to meet business people, restaurateurs, finding out their stories, eating their food, it's really nothing that you could, who's gonna complain? I'm nothing to complain about. This is the best thing that I could ask for, and I love meeting new people, going on new adventures, trying out amazing food. And Pique 86 is exactly the type of place that you need to come to and support. This is clearly a family-owned business. They love their community, the community loves them back. So please make out the trek to Pique 86 and stay tuned to Flavors of New York for more adventures that hopefully I will be a part of. And just a friendly reminder, my name is M, aka the Hungry Dominican. I'll see you next time.